Hey guys, what's up? I had a request to do a quick video on how to wire the kill switch on your SPS longtail kit. Um, so I'm going to show you kind of how I wired mine. Quick disclaimer, I've got the motor torn apart right now. Putting new connecting rods, camshaft, carburetor, valve train, and all that good stuff on it. So it's probably not going to look exactly like what you're used to, but I'll just show you real quick how I've got it, so don't mind the mess. So you've got your kill switch that goes on your tiller handle, and basically, you know, you hook this up to whatever, you wear it around your wrist, whatever, and it pulls there. So it's got a positive and a negative wire that come off of it, right? So the negative wire, I just threw like one of these connectors on there, and then I just ground it on the battery. And the positive wire runs to the side of the motor. If you look under the starter, this yellow wire coming out of the block is your low oil sensor. So I cut the wire that goes into the wiring harness and then connected the positive wire from the cutoff switch to it and spliced them together, and then I reconnected it to the wire that goes into the harness. So what happens is when you pull that kill switch out, it basically sends a signal to the oil sensor that there's no oil, and it shuts the motor off. So hopefully that helps. If you guys have any questions or anything, drop a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.